Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x87e50028 when launching games that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And reads something went wrong launching your game. So Xbox app with the error code 0x87e50028 is a recurring issue that many Windows users face when trying to launch games. This error typically prevents the game from starting and caused by several factors including file system errors, corrupted games files, or permissions issues. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair or reset the Xbox app settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung app. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side panel and then select mo lang dito yung installed apps, yung pinakauna lang. Under dito sa installed apps at dito lang sa search apps. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Xbox. And automatic mga kaibigan na mag-a-appear kagad dito yung Xbox apps natin. So, ang gagawin natin dito sa tatlong Xbox na Xbox Console Companion and yung Xbox Live, kailangan lang natin itong i-repair, alright? So, kung paano ba yan natin gawin, dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So, i-click mo lang yan. And i-click mo lang dito yung Advanced Option. So, dito sa kanyang Advanced Options and then scroll down. At dito lang sa Reset Procedure ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair. So if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So click mo lang yan and wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And next step, so if this app still isn't working right, and then kailangan mo lang i-reset ito. So click mo lang dito yung reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Alright, so after dito sa reset procedure and the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. So ang next solutions is to ensure Xbox service are running. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa services and services local. At dito lang sa right side panel. And then kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung gaming services. So scroll down. And then hanapin mo dito yung gaming services. And then ito siya. And then, ang gagawin mo is select mo lang siya and double click. And pop up itong kanyang gaming services properties. So, dito lang sa general at dito sa startup type. So, select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then, dito sa running ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung stop and then wait natin. And dito sa kanyang service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start and then wait natin ulit. So, after nyan and then click mo lang dito yung okay, right? And the other one na gaming services, so yung pangalawa, so same procedure, select and double click. And dito sa general and then dito sa startup type, so naka-automatic dapat. And then dito sa running, click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. And dito sa service status and then click yung start and wait natin ulit. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then after dito sa services, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu. And then you need to restart. Okay, so click restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x87e50028 when launching games in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.